Good morning, grade 8. Starting lesson number 3 of chemistry, again chapter 1, fundamentals of chemistry. And the topic is compounds. It's on page number 9 and 10 in your books. You're already familiar with the compounds because you have studied about compounds in detail in grade 8. And as you're one of my brilliant class, I must say you're already clear about it. But again we are having topic of compound in grade 8. So starting with the definition of compound, compound is a pure substance consists of two or more than two different types of elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. Clear? In the formation of a compound, the component elements must undergo chemical changes. Means they chemically combine. Chemical combinations involve electronic interaction. The outer electrons are involved in the reaction. Clear? Electrons of the valence shell. The properties of compound are different from the elements from which it is formed, because when a compound is formed, it is actually the chemical change in which the elements lost their properties. Clear? So a new substance is formed, that is called a compound. So the properties of a compound will be different from the elements from which it is formed. For example, water is a compound. It is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of hydrogen atoms to oxygen atom in water is always 2:1, means H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Changing this ratio will give a different compound. If you change the ratio from 2:1, then the compound will not remain water anymore. It will change. Clear? For example, adding one more oxygen atom gives a ratio of 2:2. And the resulting compound will be hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2. So here the ratio is 2:2, not 2:1. That's why the compound here is changed now. So basically the compound is formed by the combination of elements together in a fixed ratio by mass. Clear? Okay. Here are formula of compounds. A compound is always represented by a chemical formula. A formula shows the symbols of elements of which compound is made and their combining ratio to each other. So considering the first formula, calcium carbonate CaCO3. So here you can see the symbols of element, Ca for calcium, C for carbon and O for oxygen. So a formula is showing symbols of all elements present in a compound. So how many elements in this compound? 3. Calcium, carbon, oxygen. So this compound is made up of 3 elements shown through these symbols. These symbols. Okay. And the number is actually showing the ratio, the combining ratio of elements in a compound. So calcium 1 atom, carbon 1 atom and 3 atoms of oxygen. Clear? Next, carbon dioxide CO2 made up of how many elements? You can answer it later. Clear? Copper sulfate CuSO4. Cu copper, S sulfur, O oxygen. Copper sulfate is made up of 3 elements, copper, sulfur and oxygen. And if we talk about atoms, total atoms in this formula, so copper 1 atom, sulfur 1 atom and 4 atoms of oxygen. So total how many? 4 plus 1 of sulfur and plus 1 of copper. Total become 6. Glucose C6H12O6 made up of three elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrochloric acid made up of hydrogen and chlorine Cl. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly we call it baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. So how many total elements? Sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Total 4 elements. Sodium chloride, table salt, common salt, ठीक है? Sodium chloride NaCl. Na is symbol for sodium and Cl is symbol for chlorine. So sodium chloride is made up of 2 elements. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Na symbol show sodium, oxygen for O for oxygen and H for hydrogen. Is it clear? I hope you are getting it. So this was all about the compound. Now I am giving you some homework. 2 questions I am giving you. The first one is, what is the difference between molecule and compound? Compound is made up of elements, 2 or more than 2 elements. You have to differentiate compound and molecule. Clear? Next, how many elements are present in each of the following compounds? Name each element then. First of all, you have to answer how many elements in water and then you have to name that element. You have to name that elements. Clear? पहले आपने बताना है वाटर में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं एंड देन आपने बताना है कि उन एलिमेंट्स के नाम क्या हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो वाटर, मीथेन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड इथेनॉल. Okay, you have to do this homework on your notebooks. We will check it later, inshallah. Thank you.